currently in Ganghwa, Incheon, a border area between South and North Korea. The time is now 11:13 p.m., and the strange noises began to echo. These unsettling sounds are broadcast through massive loudspeakers by North Korea to harass South Korean residents. I try to force myself to sleep, but it's just impossible. I feel like it's way louder than the midnight. It is 3:20 a.m. I try to fall asleep with these earplugs, but they were too uncomfortable to stay asleep for long. The noise is still ongoing. It is 5:40 a.m. Unable to sleep, I got dressed and stepped outside. Behind me is barbed wire fence, and just across the Hangang is North Korea.